Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell you a story of a clown. You know clown. How many of you have seen the circus? The most entertaining person in a circus is clown or joker. Even if he is unhappy at heart, he doesn't show it off. Clowns entertain the audience very much that at the end we remember only their activities, not any of the circus items we have seen. So, the clown here is Lemon. As usual, he used to entertain the whole city, persons in the city, with his acts, funny gestures. The only problem with him was that he doesn't care for his clothes. So at the end of the act, either his socks will be torn or his pants will be cut and his belt will be torn. So almost like that, his elastic will be broken. Anything can happen. He doesn't care for. And people often ask him to take care of his belongings. But he doesn't heed to their words. Now, he is very funny and his moments are very much liked by children especially. But because of this, he doesn't have a proper cloth. So one day one person suggested he would buy a sewing machine. And that sewing machine helped him a lot, because whenever there are torn parts or this unstitched pieces, he will use his sewing machine and it worked wonders. Now, after many years of his service, the citizens of that place decided to give him a grand party. And at that party, he will be a hero. So, he was also looking forward to that party, and he thought that at that party he will be like a normal person wearing his coat and suit, and he will be a hero of that function. So the day has come. The next day the party was to happen, and at night he opened his cupboard for taking out his best clothes to wear, and he couldn't find any. All the clothes in the cupboard were torn, were having stitching marks, everything. And finally, as usual, he ended up in his cloth suit and went to the party. There, everyone was laughing at his attire because they expected him to be best. And as usual, he cracked joke that I am best in this attire. And after the function, he realized that from that day onwards, he has to take care of his clothes. So he removed all the unwanted clothes from his cupboard and kept the other clothes folded, pressed, and properly. So that is the lesson he understood. That is, he should be more responsible. And every time his silly excuses won't help him out. That won't be the remedy. Though no short-term remedies will work out, Thank you.